Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're visiting the Catalonia Royal. This is an adults-only hotel located in a tropical paradise better known as Punta Cana. We had a great time there, so let's get right into it. As you enter the lobby, you can find a really spacious seating area, a piano bar, and a buffet restaurant. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, there was only 2 restaurants open per night at the moment of our visit in December 2020. So, if possible, we advise you to make your reservations right at check-in so you avoid any availability issues. Otherwise, you're just stuck with the buffet. It's not the worst case scenario, buffet restaurant is actually good, but it's always better to have options. The resort has multiple lounge areas, 2 pools. One of them is an infinity pool. Second one has an aqua bar, which is half inside, so you can enjoy your cocktails in the water, and the Barcelona regions for those who prefer vegetarian cuisine. $255 rooms at your disposal, spa and gym facilities, a mini golf camp, a reading corner, and a shopping village are just a few of the services available at this all-inclusive hotel. These are the most exclusive rooms within the resort, located in front of a large central lake. They are the biggest and closest to the beach, each one of them with their own private infinity pool. We stayed in a junior suite with private pool in the privileged category. It has a jacuzzi inside, a comfortable bathroom, and a small living room. It was sad to hear that room service was only available until 1:30 a.m. at the time of our visit. However, even though room service menu does not have too many options to choose from, it was somewhat fast and turned out to be a lifesaver for late night snacks. Once you get to the beach, there's plenty games you can find, just like 4 in a row, chess, also swings, and a beach and sushi bar, which in my opinion were one of the best sushis I've tried in a resort. In daytime, Thalassa serves a buffet menu, and at night, it works as a Mediterranean a la carte restaurant. So let's take a quick look to the buffet options. These are some of the dishes you can find in the a la carte menu of the restaurant. We also went to Sea Blue Snack Bar and Grill, my personal favorite. The whole menu was simply delicious. And Catatapa, where we tasted some Spanish cuisine dishes. As you can see, live shows and music are part of the night entertainment activities for the whole family at the resort. Finally, even though Pearl Beach Club isn't part of the actual resort, we wanted to include it anyways because it's one of the most exclusive beachfront clubs in Punta Cana. It's a great hangout spot where you can enjoy live music, cocktails, the infinity pool, and international cuisine. Keep in mind that all drinks and snacks you order from here are not included on the package, but they do offer some discounts to the hotel guests as explained by one of the club's representatives. And that concludes our hotel tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.